I'm not sure you guys remember, but we got this in a few weeks ago and did an opening, but that was about it. At the same time we got how do you open this thing? Same time we got one for our Tamiya came together. So we're gonna take a look at it, see how if we can get it running. Not sure what that is. We'll take a look at the instructions. If I'm not mistaken, the shock was supposed to be broken, but I think that's all better. But we have to figure out the controller was busted, so I have to put in some new different electronics. Got a really good price on this, so even if I have to replace everything electronics, it's not a total loss. It looks brand new though. I don't know, maybe I'll try the binder. Turns on. Spectrum, huh? It's 2-in-1, so I'm kind of screwed a little bit. Whatever I do, I'm going to have to probably resolder this. Unless this is some kind of... Again, I don't know anything about these things, so I'm diving in head first. Probably should open the instructions and see if there's a... so that's just a magnetic binder. That's strange. So I'm going to read the manual real quick, see if I can figure some of this out. It's a nice controller though. It's got dual rate, steering, reverse, and forward. Just too bad it doesn't work. I'll get some brand new batteries just to make sure. Alright, I'll be right back once I tinker a little. Alright, after a shit ton of monkeying around, taking apart the controller, realizing the controller is just junk, I decided to swap out the entire ESC. The way this ESC is, there's no, they didn't put a remover on this low cost stuff. All one piece, one unit, Horizon made. This is probably fine. I just got to get another controller that works with it. But I used my HBX that was overheating all the time in the 903. It was cutting out from heat and acting up. Just to make sure it works, and it works. Now this pulls, it doesn't pull anywhere near the amount of juice it's got. So kind of the motor is your limiter there. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot. but I think we got a running rig. So we'll have to get it out and take a look. I'll get it buttoned up, and this is just a quick fix. I'm not sure I'm ripping today, but it doesn't mean you won't see me ripping. Anyways, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'll button it up so that we can drive it, and I'll be right back. Ooh, it's getting a little chillier out. So, we're doing a couple things. I got a new camera in to... What's that noise? That's weird. Oh, anyways. So, so what we did, probably just watched me messing with this a little bit. We put the HBX ESC in this, and I took and I invested in myself. I got a rig, if I do it right. We're testing the audio on this camera. This camera I had once before and I lost it. And then I bought 2 other cheapies, and they only worked in AVI format, so they did me no good whatsoever. And I'm still having trouble. Alright. So I made a head rig. And hopefully you can see what I'm seeing. And we'll try it out. This thing is fun. I'm not sure you can see what I'm seeing. Part of the test. So, I got some new tape today too, so we'll be fixing the track. Thing is quiet. I have no idea if this battery is charged or not. But that's our first run. Hopefully the camera works. Hopefully this works. Team Losi. That's a cool little car. Pretty happy about it. Yeah, it's turned off. So. Probably the battery.